Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons, and I'm back with some more crazy news that you guys are not even going to believe. We have another Dollar General clearance event already scheduled and on the books. So we're going to go over all the details in this video. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, now jumping right in for all of my newbie couponers out there, I do want to go ahead and let you all know that I have created a playlist specifically for beginner couponers. Now in that playlist, you're going to find this video right here, how to shop the Dollar General clearance events. So if you have never shopped a Dollar General clearance event, if you have questions about a Dollar General clearance event, this is the video that you need to go and check out. Because in this video, I literally share with you all everything that you need to know about Dollar General clearance events. I answer the most frequently asked questions, and I even share with you all my pro tips and tricks. So make sure that you go and check out that video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, I don't want anybody to be confused, because we do have a Dollar General clearance event going on right now. It started today on September 22nd, and it is going to run through Sunday. Now, if you missed my video on that one, make sure that you go and check it out. I have new visuals, all kinds of new information. We have tons and tons of categories included in this clearance event. So make sure that you go and check out that video if you haven't already, and I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now also, to go right along with this clearance event, your girl has been working hard on getting you guys new visuals for all of the different categories. So I did upload a video yesterday going over our spring and summer apparel and accessories category. So in that video, we go over the yellow dot items as well as the green star items that are included in this clearance event. And trust me, there are tons of really awesome and really cute items included. So make sure that you go and check that one out as well. But again, I don't want anybody to be confused. So from here on out, we are not going to be talking about this clearance event going on this weekend. We are going to be talking about a whole other clearance event that Dollar General has scheduled and put on the books. I don't know what's going on with DG this year, but they have definitely been clearance event crazy. And we have literally been having clearance event after clearance event back to back to back. So I don't know what Dollar General has up its sleeve, but I'm all in. I'm all here for it. And you know, your girl's going to have you covered with all of the details, all of the best deals. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now with this clearance event, Dollar General definitely threw in some extra magic for us. So let's go ahead and talk about the details. For this upcoming clearance event, it is going to start next Friday, September the 29th, and it is going to run through Thursday, October the 5th. Yes, you heard me correctly. This is going to be a 7-day clearance event. Can y'all believe that? That means that we have 7 days of deals, 7 days of coupons, 7 days of complete craziness. So you guys are definitely going to want to make sure that you stay tuned. Make sure that you have those notifications turned on, because don't forget, during our last few clearance events, we have had some epic run glitch deals. So you are not going to want to miss out. Like I said, make sure that your notifications are turned on, set them to all, and make sure that you check back with this YouTube channel every single day. Now, as always, I want to hear from you all. Let me know what you guys think about this 7-day Dollar General clearance event down in the comment section below. I would almost say this sounds too good to be true, but the memos have been sent out. The employees have been notified. The dates are on the books. So we are ready to rock and roll. So let me know what you guys think about this down in the comment section below. Are you excited? Are you looking forward to it? I know I am, because we are going to have tons and tons and tons of epic deals. Now let's take a look at what is going to be included in this 7-day clearance event. First up, we are going to have seasonal categories. And if it's any indication of what's going on with this clearance event happening this weekend, the one that starts today on Friday, September the 22nd. We have tons of seasonal categories included in this clearance event. So I'm wondering if Dollar General will also include those same seasonal categories in this upcoming clearance event that starts next Friday on September the 29th. Now, to make it even better, we are also going to have the clearance section included in this clearance event. So what does that mean? That means that y'all better be scoping out your stores and mapping out your route, picking out the store that you're going to go to first to grab up all the deals. Now, we are also going to have our POG clearance items included in this clearance event. And again, if you do not know what POG clearance items are, make sure that you go and check that How to Shop the Dollar General clearance events video. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And I do want to go ahead and give you all a quick heads up. We have tons of brand new clearance items. I'm going to have all the visuals, all the coupon matchups, all the rebates. So y'all better make sure that you stay tuned and turn on those notifications, all right? Now, hold on, wait a minute, because even though those details are super exciting and I cannot wait to get out there and grab the deals, it gets even better because Dollar General is also going to be running tons of sales during this clearance event. So these sales are going to start next Friday on September the 29th and run through October the 5th. So they are going to run right along with this DG clearance event. So we have some really easy dates that we have to remember, okay? First up, we have a buy one, get one free white sale on all bedding. This does include toss pillows, throws, sheets, comforters, blankets, and quilts. Buy one, get one free. You can't beat it. Now, we are also going to be having a buy one, get one free sale on the dinnerware and kitchenware items. And good news, y'all, we can mix and match, but the fun doesn't stop there because we are also going to be having a buy one, get one free sale on the harvest items. And y'all, have you guys seen how cute that stuff is this year? I cannot wait. And last but certainly not least, I told you all about this sale a couple of videos ago, but we do have an update on this sale. It is going to run from September the 29th through October the 5th. This is buy one, get one 75% off on Blue Dot and Yellow Star toys. So that sale has been extended and it will not end until October the 5th. Now, hold on guys, don't click off of the video just yet because as you all know, last week I uploaded a video and I told you guys we were going to be doing a gift card giveaway for hitting 50,000 crazy couponers on this channel. Just this week, we hit 53,000 crazy couponers, so this channel is growing like crazy and I do want to thank you all so much for all of your love and support. So, I'm going to be announcing 2 winners in today's video, and I'm going to be announcing some more winners in tomorrow's video, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Now, if you are a winner, please reach out to me via email. My email is crazycoupons1@gmail.com. That information is going to be in the pinned comment down below, and I'll get your gift card to you all ASAP. So, without further ado, the winners of the gift cards are Vicky Parrott and Margaret Johnson. So thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. It truly does mean the absolute world to me. So thank you guys so much. Now, that is going to be it for me for now. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.